In this video, I'm going to show you how to open your Coinpot account and what you have to do in that. So first you go to register, but as you can see, this is your wallet. It's a micro wallet that keeps all these coins for you. Go into register. You use your email address, and the same email address you are using here, you are going to use on the other sites too, because they are going to send the coins to your Coinpot wallet, and it all happens automatically. Your password, and you confirm that you're not a robot, and then you register. But I'm going to log in because I already got my Coinpot account. And what they will ask you is your email, your login email, your password. Then they will ask you also for the 2FA, the two-factor authentication. But before you do that, do your human verification first. So they say traffic lights. I've got the traffic lights there. And they ask twice so that they can make sure that I'm not a robot. So now we are in our dashboard. That's after that I put my 2FA in there, and I didn't show you that because I don't want to reveal my email address that I am using for my Coinpot wallet. So what we are going to do now, you will see you've got your Coinpot tokens. This one is very, very important. This is the one we are going to convert all these coins to your Bitcoin Core. Every one of them, except Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, you first have to convert it to tokens, and then from here you convert it to Bitcoin Core. So as you can see, let me just take that out. So you can see that I already took some of my tokens, I converted already, and I will show you with Litecoin. It's very easy to do that. Go to convert Litecoin, and then they say tokens, but we want to convert it to core. Then you choose your maximum. You can see what's going on there. Then it's the two-factor verification or authentication. Nobody can do anything with this code anyway. If it has been used, it has been used, and it will not be used. I can't use it for anything else. So then I'll go back to my dashboard. Everything has been done. And now you can see my Litecoin is empty, and I've got the dash. Still got that. Let me do that and show you again. I convert dash coin. Normally I don't do it every day. So it's just once a week that you are doing that. Put in the two-factor authentication. Convert it for me. Confirm your that, and then you'll see there's a rate also that I have to pay. And dashboard. That's why I'm waiting a little bit longer, so that I can convert more Bitcoin over there. So right now it's Bitcoin. It's not like Satoshi. And let me show you. If you go to Prev.com, where you can convert it in that, I'll show you. This is what I have made so far. It's a little bit slow. I think it's because due to the video. Paste there. So it's 24 cents. And yesterday when I converted it, the amount that I've made up there, I not converted, I transferred it to my KYC wallet in Carat Bars. It was 6 cents. So I've made 24 cents worth of Bitcoin over a stretch of 24 hours. And this is what you can do. Sometimes it's a little bit less, sometimes it is more. So now just go below this video. You will get the Coinpot link so that you can join all the others that we are putting up for you there. And I'll show you with everyone how to do it and what to expect. Please, please don't click on any ads that you are seeing here. Don't do it. Most of those things are scams, and some of them will even bring in a virus on your computer. I don't know how it works on my the mobile phone, because I'm using something else on the mobile phone that I am testing at this moment. And if I am sure that they are going to pay those mined bitcoins that I've got in there, I will put it up here for you. But that takes a long time, because you can only get, I think it's about, you must have 0.005 bitcoins in there before you can withdraw. So I'm going to test it to see if they are for real or not. We are not putting anything up here that we haven't tested. I am doing this for 3 years now, and every time when I withdraw my Bitcoin to a Bitcoin wallet, I got paid for that every time. So I'll see you in the next video.